Hi, Tim McClare here with Irwin Marine on another tech tip. One we get a lot, especially after 4th of July when people use their boat at nighttime, is they get to their boat and the screens are black. So they think their screens don't work, something happened. There's a few ways to do this. Obviously when they're black you can't see, so you can tap the power button like I'm doing now, and this is on any Simrad screen, and it'll come back to bright. If you can kind of see, you can of course just hit brightness and drag this up or down.